Mustika, it's Derek. Day 2 or second day of working on this. I think I spent maybe like an hour or 2 hours. And really all I've done is just improve on this part right here, this tag on the top left, and adding these logos right here, which is actually now a marquee. So it's going to move across like this. And then I decided to keep this section in with really nice images. Still not quite sure of the sizing, which I'll fix. Then the next section, I decided to keep this where I'll have a bunch of text. And you can see it has a really unique layout. Like this is a bit lower than here. It makes it look very dynamic, like, which I like. At the end of the day, this is all my project, so whatever I like. Then here, I'm thinking of putting a text around here, something else, perhaps like, either a language like Ni Hao Ma, which is Chinese for how are you, or, Kumusta Kapo, which is Tagalog, and, good day, mate. Oh, that's a good one, actually. Let me write that down. Good day, mate. Okay. And or like some sort of flag or some click to learn more. So something like that. You can see every day I'm like just changing the layout and what's best. But you can see I took some time to pick out like some of the best logos or clients or brands I've worked with, like Fiverr, HBS PCA, Midas MVT, who has like 1 million on YouTube, 1 million subscribers, UFC Gym, etc. So that's what I've done. And I'm going to go ahead and just keep that black and white effect that goes into here. And these are the case studies I was building yesterday. And then I'm just going to keep going. So really, it's just going to be like, again, my whole point is just to update this. I really like my current website, just to update it slightly. So it's kind of keeping the same style, just perhaps just adding 2 sections, like this video section and this logo section, just a bit before everything. And just to show you what this says right here, just so you guys can see, or really it's just me in the future. It says 200 projects completed, which is not a lie. Webflow expert, 140 plus 5-star Fiverr reviews, 5+ years of experience, which I need to just change the logos. This is taken from inspiration of Mizco. So Mizco is Michael Wong, this guy right here, who's updated his site so many times. And now look at it, it's just like, it's not even like, it's just, I don't know, man. It's just sometimes like, it's a balance between what you're happy with, what looks good, what's good for SEO, and what works. Like that's the balance, really. So, I mean, me personally, I liked his previous site, Mizco. It looks so cool and it's like dark mode, but now it's just like, it doesn't look that great, but it probably reads really well. So I don't know. Anyways, Google review, 5-star Google reviews, 3,000 plus niche audience, niche YouTube following right here with YouTube logo, Fiverr Pro verified, and then this just ends the loop with 200 projects completed. So that's what I've done so far. I'll see you guys in whenever I do day 3. Peace. Guys, it's me again, Derek. It is the 3rd time I'm doing my website, just updating myself. And yeah, today's the exact same day that I updated my website, like probably in the morning. Now it's nighttime. I'm supposed to do client work, but then like I got carried away. So I'll just tell you guys what I've done. I've updated these icons right here. It says 120 plus clients served. You guys already saw this, the Fiverr reviews. Then we have Google reviews. Then I've also added some logos in this website. If it loads. Oh man, it's loading so funkily. Let me just quickly show you in Webflow right here. Right here, I'll show you this completed one right here. So this is what I settled on. 120 plus happy clients, Webflow expert, 140 plus 5-star reviews on Fiverr, 5+ years of experience. And you can see I put some logo here, like Nutrition Station, UFC Gym, UTS, HBCA, Fiverr. I'm trying to put these logos because people can recognize these logos, hopefully, at least Fiverr and UFC Gym, maybe UTS, if people are from Sydney, Australia. Then that's what I've done. And then I put 120 plus happy clients rather than 200 projects completed, just because the 200 projects completed had this like rocket emoji, but these ones have like people's faces. So I think that just looks more aesthetically pleasing. That's part of it, eh? And then below this, this now works. I've now added a smooth scroll, which I'm pretty proud of. It's just a custom code that, to be very honest, I just asked ChatGPT and he spat it out. But as you see, if I scroll down now, it's scrolling like very smoothly, which honestly I've never done before. Then the next section is this image right here. I've just changed the sizing. You can see that this is very, very custom photo. So it really just carries out this whole section. It just shows my face. I've got to fix the timing. Then below this, it took me a while to just get to this text. Like I said earlier this morning, I'm trying to balance between like writing what I really genuinely want to write or writing what is good for SEO, because I think SEO is going to take over the future. But I kind of just remixed it. I used ChatGPT to help me, but that's that. Then I got this working right here, recent success stories. And ever since I built my first website, I did everything using EMs or viewport width. So now it's properly built using REMs. Not saying viewport width is bad. And yeah, all the timing is great. And with the smooth scrolling, it just works so well, because the time when I built my old website, I was using a MacBook. So whenever I would like scroll using my trackpad, it already automatically is smooth scroll. But ever since I got a mouse, this is actually smooth scroll. So here is recent success stories. And I'm thinking of just building this in CMS so I can use Swiper.js, maybe showing like 6 works. That's it. Like very, very strong case studies. And really, I just want to make it seem like I'm working with big clients. There are big clients. These stats aren't really made up. Like, this company was actually funded by Google by $500,000 USD, 1 million USD, and like I did make that website. So, and the HBSPCA, they literally raised like 1 million Canadian dollars. It's like a lot of money, right? And they probably have over 5,000 site visitors and 1,000 CMS items. And then this Midas guy, which I got very lucky getting him for some reason through Fiverr, but just putting some crazy stats. So when people look at it, they're like, oh wow, these are big clients. So they know. Because I don't want to take like $200 websites anymore. I'm not saying I took it before, but I'm positioning myself. That's what I'm trying to do. I'm actually just trying to sharpen my axe. If I'm chopping trees, I really just want to sharpen my axe. I've been talking about this for the past 1 year. I'm being very honest with you guys. So that's what I'm going to do here. Then here, I don't really know what to put here, and I'm still thinking about it. But I imported my old video that I'm probably just going to keep because it shows my face and stuff. And yeah, that's it. Then I'm going to put success stories and a bunch of other stuff. But I think I made very substantial progress. This has just been 2 days, and that's what I've done. I've also added a blur effect in the nav bar, so you can see behind it, it has some sort of blur effect, so it's not just a pure white. So it's like a glossy effect. But yeah, see you guys in the next video. I'll see you in the next update session. Thanks for listening. LOL.